To define a function in Python, we use the def keyword, give it a name and define its parameters within parentheses. Remember, in Python the chef is generous and flexible. The return value is entirely up to you. Just as you wouldn't store all your clothes in one drawer in Python, we use modules to organize our code. These are like files that act as storage boxes, stashing away functions, variables, and other goodies. They're easy to transport and share. Just use the import statement and voila, you've got access to all its contents. Python comes with a treasure chest of built-in modules, but you can also create your own. Think of them as your personalized toolkits, ready to deploy whenever your code project demands it. Alright, let's bridge the gap between languages for all the multilinguists out there. If you've worked with Selenium in Java, here's a fun fact. A function in Python is much like a method in Java. They're both ways of saying, hey, I've got a job for you, and you trust them to get it done right. Speaking of Java, let's take a quick look at a method we might use in Selenium. Notice how Java loves to dress to impress with its data types and formal syntax. Our method here, navigate to page, is like your trusty GPS, guiding your driver on where to go in the World Wide Web. It's sleek, it's efficient, and it gets you where you need to be. Now let's peek at how we do the same thing in Python. Here's a spoiler. Python is the cool, casual cousin who shows up to the family dinner in a hoodie. You tell Python where you want to go, and just like that, off you go. No need for data types, and a quick decision at the end. Am I running the show, or just a guest star? Ensures this script only takes the lead role when it's not being imported elsewhere. Both these examples show us the essence of direction. You see, in Python it's all about keeping it simple, straightforward and sleek. Functions are friends, not formalities. They get the job done with a high five and a smile, no suit and tie needed. Just as we compared functions to methods, let's now compare Python modules to Java packages. It's like organizing your bookshelf. Instead of piling up all your books in a jumble, you sort them into neat categories. This keeps things orderly and easy to find when you're itching to code. Creating a Python module is as easy as saving your prized code into a .py file, your own code capsule, and when you're ready to use it, just import it like you would with any other package. It's your tailored toolkit that travels with you across your projects. Let's say you've created a spiffy module, navigation.py. Using this clever module you crafted is a piece of cake. Import it, call up your function, and you've got yourself a driver ready to hit the road. It's coding made convenient, like grabbing a coffee through a drive-thru. In conclusion, functions and modules in Python are like the nuts and bolts of a well-oiled machine. They allow you to write code that's not just neat and tidy but also easily shareable and scalable. Think of it as building a Lego castle. You can add on moats, towers, or